Hello, welcome to Sensor School of Life Sciences. Today we shall discuss about Redkin hypothesis and co-evolution. Co-evolution, as the name implies, co means together, evolution means to evolve. It is evolve together. Why these two species are evolving together? Because if they want to survive, they need to evolve together. The term coevolution is used to describe cases where two or more species reciprocally affect each other's evolution. Reciprocally, both species are involved. Coevolution is frequently seen in pairs of species that interact frequently or closely. Let us study this with the examples. Some of the examples. Interaction between parasites and their hosts, interaction between herbivores and plants, interaction between predators and their prey, interaction between pollinators and plants. These are some of the examples. The co-evolutionary arms race competition between a parasite and a host is known as Redkin hypothesis, as both organisms must keep running in order to stay still. What do you mean by that? You see, co-evolutionary arms race, I told, is competition between a parasite and host is known as the Redkin hypothesis, as both the organisms must keep running in order to stay still. Or we can say both the organisms must keep evolving in order to survive, or to extend, not extinct, or to avoid extinction. Okay, there is a pressure on host to become resistant to the parasite, and there is a pressure on parasite to evolve ways to cope with the host resistance. You see, both organisms, let it be host and parasite, or predator and prey, or whatever it may be, they have to keep running or to keep evolving in order to stay still or to survive or to extend, not extinct, or to avoid extinction. This will be more clear when we study some examples. See, Van Valen named the idea Redkin hypothesis. Under this view, species had to run or evolve in order to stay in the same place, extent. Okay. Why is it called Redkin hypothesis? Let me see it. Van Valen's Redkin hypothesis is a metaphor, actually a symbolic, from the Redkin's comment in the novel, Through the Looking Glass. Through the Looking Glass is a novel published on 27 December 1871 by Lewis Carroll. In this novel, the character Redkin says to Alice, Redkin, a young lady actually, Alice, a little girl in this novel. The character Redkin, the young lady, says to Alice, the little girl, it takes all the running you can do to keep in the same place. See, is represented here, the little girl Alice. It is the what Redkin. Thus, with the organisms, it may recur multitudes of evolutionary adjustments just to keep from going extinct. Okay, that is to avoid extinction. That means what? That is, in order to avoid extinction, or to survive, or extend, or to keep in the same place, organisms have to keep evolving. That's the meaning. Okay. I think you got a clear idea of the metaphor Redkin hypothesis applied to coevolution. See, coevolution of host parasites. Over thousands of years of evolution, parasites tend to become less injurious to their hosts, isn't it? Such an arrangement preserves the host to host so that the parasites get a continuous supply of nutrients and shelter. A parasite that destroys its host also destroys its own means of support, isn't it? The death of the host would mean the death of the parasite before it could be transmitted to another living host. Thus, successful host-parasite relationships are evolved on the principle of live and let live. See, predator-prey co-evolution. Predation is a process by which one animal, predator, eats another animal, prey. Everybody know this? Predators have obviously evolved to exploit their prey, with the hunting ability being at a premium. Mammalian predators, for example, must be fast, strong, and cunning enough to be able to catch their prey. It is almost as obvious that prey have evolved to protect themselves from predators by the development of new escape strategies. They may have a variety of defense strategies. See, so both the predators and prey have to evolve together. If one of them, suppose one of them is not able to evolve, it will ultimately extinct, isn't it? So, similarly, predators in nature are very prudent. It's very prudent. Why? If a predator is too efficient and overexploits its prey, then the prey might become extinct, and following it, the predator will also become extinct for lack of food. This is the reason why predators in nature are prudent. So, plants and herbivores. A plant may evolve a secondary chemical substance that deters the vast majority of herbivores. But if a particular herbivore can in turn evolve a physiological means of coping with the chemical deterrent, it can thereby obtain an uncontested food supply, isn't it? Through this kind of co-evolution, many herbivores have become strongly specialized on a single species or a few closely related species of plants. A good example, see, with an example, this will be more clear. You see, a good example is provided by Drosophila and cacti. Drosophila pachia is the only species of fruit fly that can exploit the Senita group of cacti. These plants produce an alkaloid that is fatal to the larvae of all other fruit flies, but Drosophila pachia has apparently evolved the means of detoxifying this chemical. Okay, can do some questions. The Redquin hypothesis is related to, see this question, it was asked 2015 December net exam, CSIR net. The same question repeated in Scientific Officer Biology 2021. The Redquin hypothesis is related to one, evolutionary arms race between the host and parasite, the mating order in the harem of polygamous male, the elimination of deleterious mutations by sexual reproduction, mate selection process by a female in a leg. It's very clear that the first is the answer, isn't it? The evolutionary arms race between the host and parasite. And this term also is very important, leg, then harem. So, you know, all these are related to what? The mating system, leg, and I have given here, leg system and harem are polygamous mating systems. We will have a separate class on different types of mating system. We can see. See, second question, which of the following interactions will not promote co-evolution? Will the interaction which does not promote co-evolution? Commensalism, mutualism, parasitism, specific competition. See, an explanation given. Co-evolution is the process of reciprocal evolutionary change. Already I mentioned. The activity of each species that participates in the interaction applies selection pressure on the others. Commensalism refers to an association between two organisms in which one benefits and the other derives neither benefit nor harm. Thus, we can say that the commensalism will not promote co-evolution. It is clear. Next question. An example of co-evolution is evolution of man and ape, evolution of marsupials and placental mammals, evolution of horse and deer, evolution of bees and flowers they pollinate. It's a very simple question, both is the answer, isn't it? If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.